Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Suppose that an object is heated to 300 degree Fahrenheit and allowed to cool in a room whose air temperature is 80 degree Fahrenheit. What friends? Air temperature is 80 degree Fahrenheit. If after 10 minutes the temperature of the object is 250 degree Fahrenheit, what will its temperature after 20 minutes? What first we are finding here? Temperature of the object. Okay, how to find temperature of the object and which is suitable method to solve this problem? Problems on Newton's law of cooling. What friends? Problems on Newton's law of cooling. Let us see the problem, friends. Suppose that an object is heated to 300 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, initially we heated 300 degree Fahrenheit and allowed to cool in a room whose air temperature is 80 degree Fahrenheit. What is surrounding temperature reference? 80 degree Fahrenheit. If after 10 minutes, okay, the temperature of the object is 250 degree Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, the temperature of the object is 250 degree Fahrenheit. What will be the temperature of the object after 20 minutes? Okay, what will be its temperature after 20 minutes? Okay, we are finding temperature here, friends. After 20 minutes. Okay, in previous video, okay, we are finding time, friends. We are finding time. There he given temperature. Okay, friends. Now in this problem, we are finding temperature, but he given time, friends. Okay, ఇంకొకసారి అండి మనం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసింది, మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింది ఏంటంటే, ఓకే, మనోడు టెంపరేచర్ ఇచ్చాడండి, మనం టైం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాను. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం ఇచ్చారండి? టైం ఇచ్చారు, టెంపరేచర్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ అండి, ఇది సెకండ్ మోడల్. ఓకే, నౌ విచ్ ఈస్ సూటబుల్ మెథడ్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండి? విచ్ ఈస్ సూటబుల్ మెథడ్? ఓకే, సూటబుల్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ Newton's law of cooling, friends. Newton's law of cooling. See, friends, here 2016, this is previous in question and very important, friends. Let us see the solution. Okay, first of all I want to write the given data, friends. Given. Okay, how to write this given data already explained in the first problem in previous video. You can watch that video, friends. Right, what is air temperature here? What is air temperature? 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So the air temperature is denoted by theta naught, friends. So it is 80 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, initially what is temperature of the object, friends? 300 degree Fahrenheit. So object temperature is denoted by theta, that is equal to 300 degree Fahrenheit. Initially, it is initially, friends. So initially means time is here is equal to 0. Time is equal to 0. Now after 10 minutes, that means t is equal to 10 minutes. Okay, t is equal to 10 minutes. The temperature of the object is 250 degree Fahrenheit. So theta is equal to here, friends, 250 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, now what will be its temperature? That means we are finding here theta. We are finding here theta, friends, after 20 minutes. So t is equal to 20 minutes. Okay, see, friends, you always write the given data in this form, friends. Then only we can solve the given problem very easily. మీ అందరికీ ఇంకోసారి చెప్తున్నా, ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఏంటంటే గివెన్ డేటాని ఇదే విధంగా రాసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే మన ప్రాబ్లమ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి, ఓకే, మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఈజీగా వస్తుందండి. మీరు ఎలా పడితే అలా రాస్తే గివెన్ డేటాని మనం ఏదో సెర్చ్ చేస్తామో ఏదో వస్తుందండి ఫైనల్గా ఆన్సర్. సో గివెన్ డేటాని ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇదే విధంగా రాయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ యూ రైట్ నౌ Newton's law of cooling formula, friends. Newton's Newton's law of cooling. Okay, Newton's law of cooling. What is formula, friends? What is formula? d theta by dt, that is equal to minus k into theta minus theta naught. Okay, theta minus theta naught. Okay, now I transpose or divide theta minus theta naught to left hand side and d theta to right hand side, friends. So we get here d theta by theta minus theta naught, that is equal to minus k into dt. Okay, now what is derivative of theta, friends? 1 here, already 1 here. Theta naught is constant, so the value is 0. Finally we get 1 here. So k is constants, so d theta. So we can integrate on both sides, friends. So integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. We get here integral of d theta by theta minus theta naught, that is equal to integral of minus k dt plus c, minus k dt plus c. So already we have one formula, friends. What is formula? Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. What is formula, friends? Log f of x, log f of x. So theta derivative is 1 here. So this can be written as log of theta minus theta naught. Okay, that is equal to minus k is constant, integral of dt is t plus c. We are finding temperature. So theta minus theta naught. Okay, by basic definition it can be written as, okay, e power minus kt plus c, minus kt plus c, that is equal to e power minus kt. This can be written as into e power c, friends, e power c. In the next step I transpose this theta naught to right hand side, so that we get here theta, that is equal to theta naught plus a into e power minus kt. So this is 1, friends. This is 1. What about this a, friends? What about this a? Very good. A is equal to e power c. A is equal to e power c. Okay, now I want to apply the first condition, friends. I want to apply the first condition. Theta is equal to 300, t is equal to 0. And theta naught, friends, 80. Theta naught is 80. Substitute. When theta is equal to 300, t is equal to 0, and theta naught value 80. Substitute in 1. Substitute in, and we get here theta value is 300 initial, so 300, that is equal to theta naught value is 80 plus a into e power minus k into t value is 0. So here we get a value, friends. So a, that is equal to 300 minus 80, friends. We get here 220. So a value is 220. Substitute in 1. We get okay, we get a theta, that is equal to theta naught value is 80 plus a value is 220 e power minus kt. You highlight this solution. So this is 2, friends. This is 2. Now what is second condition, friends? What is second condition? Theta is equal to 250 and t is equal to 10 minutes. Okay, right? 250, 10. When theta is equal to 250, okay, t is equal to 10. substitute into, we get, we get here 250, that is equal to 80 plus 220 into e power minus k into t value is 10. So here we get 250, 80, we get 0, 15, 7, 1, 170 friends. So this 170, that is equal to 220 e power minus 10k, So you transpose this left hand side and this is right hand side, so that we get here e power 10k, that is equal to 220 by 170. 0 0 cancel, that implies I want to write k friends. So k, that is equal to, okay, by the basic definition it can be written as log of 22 by 17. Already we have 10 coefficient friends, so divide here, then we get 1 by 10. This is k value friends. So substitute into here, we get here theta is equal to 80 plus 220, theta that is equal to 80 plus 220 e power minus k value 1 by 10 log 22 by 17, 1 by 10 log 22 by 17, k value, and then we have here t friends, t into t. So this is equation 3. Now what is the last equation friends? We are finding theta here when t is equal to 20. Substitute when t is equal to 20, substitute in 3, we get, so theta that is equal to 80 plus 220 e power minus 1 by 10 log 22 by 17 into t value is 20. So see friends here, 0 0 cancel here, 0 cancel. So that is equal to 80 plus 220 e power, this can be written as friends, log, if I write minus take here, we get whole power minus 1, so we can reverse this one friends. So 17 by 22. Okay friends, once again this minus can take whole power minus 1 friends, so that we can reverse this fraction friends. Okay, and then we have 2 here, this 2 can be written also in the power friends, Okay, now we have one formula here. What is formula? E power log a to the base e. This value is equal to a. Now this is e power log a. It is like base e friends. So that it can be written as 80 plus 220 into 17 by 22 whole square. Therefore theta that is equal to, I want to calculate in the calc friends. Okay, first of all I want to calculate bracket 17 by 22, bracket close. Okay, and then x power y we have here, we have square there, so square, then we get here 0.5 0.59710 friends. Okay, these values, if I write here 80 plus 220 into 0.5971. Okay, now multiply with 220, that is equal, we get 131 friends, plus 80, that is equal to, we get here theta value is 211 degree Fahrenheit friends. Theta is equal to 211 degree Fahrenheit. When it reaches friends, after 20 minutes, friends. Okay, once again friends, this problem is very important and previous year question friends. Listen carefully and do it, practice twice and thrice friends. Okay, I observe here surrounding temperature is 80 degrees centigrade, so you write theta naught is 80 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, surrounding temperature is denoted by theta naught and body temperature denoted by theta friends. So initially body temperature is, or object temperature is 300 degree Fahrenheit, so you write here theta is equal to 300 initially friends, so T is equal to 0. After 10 minutes 250, so theta is equal to 250. After 20 minutes, what is the temperature? Okay friends, after 20 minutes, what is the temperature? ఇంతకుముందు చేసిన ప్రాబ్లంలో అయితే తీటా వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారు ఫ్రెండ్స్, టీ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. ఇంతకుముందు ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లంలో అయితే, ఇంతకుముందు చేసిన వీడియోలో తీటా వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారు, టీ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేసాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇది సెకండ్ మోడల్, సో జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అందరూ కూడా, ఎవరు వదిలిపెట్టవద్దు. సో టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ suitable method is Newton's law of cooling. So you write down for equation and solve that. Okay, we get here theta is equal theta naught plus a into e power minus kt. Say this is 1. See friends, for each and every problem in Newton's law of cooling, up to here common friends, you have to remember this solution also. మీరందరూ కూడా ఇక్కడ వరకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇది సొల్యూషన్ దేనికంటే, న్యూటన్స్ లా ఆఫ్ కూలింగ్కి. ఇది సొల్యూషన్. ఓకేనా, అందరూ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లం రాసిన తర్వాత రాసినా సరే మనకి మినిమం మార్క్స్ పడతాయండి. రైట్, ఈ సొల్యూషన్ I use here first condition అండి, so that I get there which value friends, a value. Okay, now I substitute a value and again I'm using second condition friends, then I get k value. Okay, for each and every problem the procedure is same friends, ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఈ ప్రొసీజర్ అనేది కామన్. ఇక్కడ వరకు ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేస్తే ఏ వాల్యూ వస్తుందండి, ఏ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ సెట్ చేస్తే, సెకండ్ కండిషన్ సెట్ చేస్తే ఏ వాల్యూ వస్తుందండి, కే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లం కూడా కామనే, కాకపోతే నెంబర్స్ మారుతుంటాయి. 250 80 ప్లేస్లో ఏవో నెంబర్స్ వస్తుంటాయి, అంతే తేడా అండి. ఓకేనా, అంటే మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అనేది జాగ్రత్తగా చేసుకోవాలి. రైట్, ఇంకెక్కడ చేంజ్ వస్తుందండి, వేర్ we have change here occur. In previous problem he given temperature, we are finding time, but in this problem he given time, we are finding temperature friends. That is the only difference, right? And finally we are substituting time friends. Okay, I simplify it, then get theta value 211 degree Fahrenheit after 20 minutes friends. Okay, if you have any doubt in this problem or any topic you want, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.